Have you ever thought about starting your own indoor herb garden? Imagine the convenience of fresh herbs right at your fingertips, the improved air quality, and the vibrant touch of greenery. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple steps to start your own indoor herb garden. Firstly, gather the necessary materials. You'll need pots, preferably with drainage holes to prevent waterlogged roots. Next, quality potting soil, designed to provide the nutrients your herbs need to flourish. Then, herb seeds or young plants. Choose from basil, rosemary, parsley, or any herb you fancy. A watering can is essential, small enough to manage indoor watering. Finally, locate a sunny window, where your herbs can bask in at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Once you've collected all these, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to plant your herbs. Begin by adding a layer of potting soil to the base of your pots. Create a small indentation in the center, where you'll place the seeds or young plants. Gently cover the seeds with soil or nestle the plants in, ensuring the roots are well covered. Finally, give your newly planted herbs a drink. A gentle watering helps the soil settle around the roots and seeds. With your herbs now in their pots, it's time for the final step. Your indoor herb garden now needs some care. Position your pots where they can bask in sunlight, as this vital force of nature is integral to their growth. Regular watering is key, but remember, too much love can be a bad thing, so avoid overwatering. Every now and then, treat your herbs to a bit of fertilizer. It's like their version of a gourmet meal. Steer clear of these common mistakes, and your green friends will thrive. With these simple steps, you can enjoy fresh herbs right in your home. So, are you ready to start your own indoor herb garden? Remember, it's a delightful journey of growth, nurturing, and reaping the benefits of your efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!